embarking on a new phase in product lifecycle management. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, managing the retirement and replacement of products is a critical aspect of product lifecycle management. As a seasoned professional in this field, I've realized that successful product transition is not just about phasing out an old product, but also about strategically introducing a new one. Identifying the right time for retirement. The decision to retire a product should never be abrupt. It involves careful analysis of market trends, product performance, customer feedback, and technological advancements. The key is to recognize the diminishing returns of a product and the increasing opportunity costs of not innovating. Bridging the gap with replacement products. Introducing a replacement product is a delicate art. It requires a deep understanding of what worked with the old product and what the market now demands. The new product should not only fill the gap left by the old one, but also bring something fresh and more valuable to the table. Communication is key. Transparent and proactive communication with stakeholders, especially customers and employees, is vital. Customers should be informed about the transition well in advance, along with assurances that their needs will continue to be met. For employees, clear communication helps in aligning them with the new product vision and strategy. Seamless transition planning. The transition from an old product to a new one should be smooth and well planned. This includes managing inventory levels, retraining staff, updating marketing materials, and ensuring customer support for the old product during the transition period. Learning and evolving. Every product retirement and replacement is a learning opportunity. Gathering insights from this process helps in refining future product strategies and avoiding past mistakes. Collaboration and teamwork. Successful product transition is a team effort. It involves collaboration between different departments, from R&D and marketing to sales and customer service. Each team plays a critical role in ensuring the new product's success. Looking ahead. As we navigate the complexities of product retirement and replacement, we are not just closing a chapter but also opening a new one full of possibilities. It's an exciting journey that requires vision, planning, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts on how to effectively manage product retirement and replacement in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together in this dynamic business world.